Welcome to a journey back in time where we explore the fascinating history of dinosaurs. From their rise during the Mesozoic era to their mysterious extinction, dinosaurs have captivated our imagination for centuries. Did you know that dinosaurs first appeared around 230 million years ago? They evolved into a diverse group, including the fearsome Tyrannosaurus Rex, known for its massive jaws and predatory prowess. And let's not forget the swift Velociraptor, a clever hunter that traveled in packs, making it one of the most dangerous dinosaurs of its time. Thanks to advanced 3D imaging technology, we can now visualize these magnificent creatures in stunning detail. Imagine watching a T-Rex roar in your living room. While dinosaurs ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, they ultimately vanished around 65 million years ago, likely due to a catastrophic asteroid impact. Join us as we uncover more about these incredible beasts and their legacy that still fascinates scientists today. Remember, the past holds the key to understanding our world.